So you're thinking about joining Scentsy, joining my awesome team. You got two ways of doing it. One, you have the standard starter kit, which is $129, or you can join with the host exclusive starter kit. And how that works is you host a party. And if you get a qualifying party, so that's sales of $265 or more before taxes, which is quite easy to do, then you earn host rewards for that party. And part of those host rewards are the host credits. And you can put that towards your host exclusive starter kit, which that one is $77. Okay, so you get, I'm just going to read this here, you get with that $77, you get a warmer, you get a bar, you get washer whiffs, you get the fall and winter 2018 fragrance tester set, you get spring and summer mini tester discontinuing set, you get new consultant guide, quick start guide, fall and winter 2018 catalogs, spring and summer 2018 catalogs, order forms, product lists, product training guide, host join brochures. And because this month only, so this deal is, this host exclusive kit is good any month, but for this month only in August, that's why you're getting both sets of catalogs, is you also get the Disney Princess Wax Collection, which is 4 new bars. We have Ariel, Cinderella, Belle, and Mulan bars, and you get them all in this cute little pink satin bag. So that you only get this month, and that comes in your host exclusive starter kit for $77. So how it would work is you host a qualifying party. You get $265 in sales minimum. So say, to make it easier, let's say you get $300 in sales. So that gives you $30 in free product. You can put that $30 towards the $77, bringing it down to $47. See how that works? So the more sales you get, you can potentially have the chance to earn your host exclusive starter kit for free, as long as we can get your sales up high enough. So this is something really cool to try, and especially if you're considering joining. And then what you can also do is, well, we can turn your party into your first sale. So when we finalize the party, that the sales could all be yours for your very first party going in, your very first order as a new consultant. But we can talk about all those details later. I just wanted to mention to you about this host exclusive starter kit. Again, you can do this any month, but in August, this is the best month to do it now because you get all the spring and summer and fall and winter stuff, and you get the Disney Princess Wax Collection. So if you have any questions about how we can do this, how we can get started with this, let me know. Okay, bye.